Hi, good morning. So, if you're watching this video, good morning to you and have a great day. Today is a gift. Waking up in the morning is a gift and blessings to God for us. So, I don't know if you are sad right now. There's no reason to be sad because hindi natin alam na tomorrow is katapusan na pala natin. Wala na tayo dito sa mundo. So, bakit ba tayo magsasad ngayon kung we don't know what happened tomorrow? Kung last time na lang pala natin today. So, we enjoy the day. But, if you are sad, just accept it na sad ka talaga. And, i-accept mo na sad ka at i-let go mo na lahat. I-let go mo na para maging happy ka na ulit at may smile ka na ulit. Makasmile ka na ulit. So, I know it's not easy to let go sa mga feelings natin na nandito na it's not easy, but we need to do that in order to be happy and to be blissful. Kasi pag sad ka palagi, hindi mo matatanggap ng full ang mga blessings agad. Kasi pag kahit may blessings, kagaya nito this morning, blessings na to, but naging sad ka pa rin. So hindi mo mapapansin basta merong sadness sa'yo sa loob na yung puso. So hindi mo yan mapapansin yung blessings mo. So we need to let go that para mapansin mo. Actually, meron namang para matanggap mo yung mga blessings fully. Kasi hindi naman yan ibibigay sa'yo ni Lord pag hindi ka grateful, hindi ka nagpapasalamat sa Kanya dahil sa sadness mo. So, let go mo na yan at para matanggap mo na lahat. So, and there's a saying na if you can win the morning, you can win the day. So, win the morning and have a great day and have a great smile.